9 months ago, I realized I'm going to become a new father, and that's when it dawned on me. You should make your backyard a place that encourages your family to come out and have fun and enjoy instead of just trying to grow the most food possible. Welcome to Garden Logic TV, where we grow smarter every day. If you've been wondering why we haven't uploaded a video in a while, it's because we've been very busy with our new baby. But I think this is the perfect time to end the series. So I think we've showed already in the series that you can grow the most food possible in a small space. But in this episode, I realized something, that your backyard is not a place to grow the most food possible. You want to encourage your family to come out and have fun and have a safe place. I quit growing my pineapples. I used to have pineapples here. And I was imagining if I have a baby or a child who's running, she might cut herself because the pineapple is very sharp. It has these very long leaves. It's very sharp. You can easily cut yourself. There's some things that you just don't want to grow in a backyard. It's just not safe for your family. For instance, I got rid of my pineapple. It takes 2 years to grow. You get one fruit. It takes so long just to grow one fruit, and it's just not worth it because it's not safe. Instead, I like to grow uh fruit trees that grows tall, has a shade below, and has a lot of space below for playing and running, and you can have fun while you're out here. And this tree is big and tall. It's only taking up this much space, and so all the space around it is open, so she can have fun and play. So with all that being said, I'm still growing a lot of food in a small space because this is a jackfruit tree. It grows really big fruit and produces a ton of food every year without taking up so much gardening space like a raised garden bed. So my daughter can still run and play, and we still get a lot of food at the same time. So our backyard, we're combining two different things. We have food forest style mixed with grass lawn. This is carabao grass. This naturally stays low to the ground. It's like a carpet. It's safe when you walk on it. If you really want, you can run on it barefoot and it's totally safe. So we have a regular lawn that's, good for the family to come and play and enjoy while still growing a lot of food, but on a different, level. So the carabao grass, it's safe, much safer than the pineapple and some other stuff that grows around that have thorns. What I've done is I've got a lot of patches all around the area and it's slowly just kind of growing outward. And I'm hoping by the time she's old enough to run and play, the whole yard will be covered in carabao grass. So the number one best investment I have is actually the mulberry tree that I have. We've gotten 6 harvests within the first year. Not only does this tree produce a lot of food and it grows very well, it's very fun for the children and even us adults to come out and just pick the berries and eat it directly off the tree. It encourages your family to come out and enjoy your backyard. So that's the end of our series. It started off with growing the most food in the small amount of space in your backyard garden. And what I've realized is, as good as that sounds, it's actually not the best idea. If you can grow 50% of the food you eat, versus I'm growing a lot of sweet potatoes and fruit, then that's good enough. You don't have to grow 100, you don't have to be 100% self-sustainable. The more important thing is it's safe and it's fun and encourages your family to come out and enjoy the backyard. Another realization I had is I want the backyard to be like a classroom. So when my daughter gets bigger, we can come out here and teach her. It's like an educational area. I can teach her how to grow mulberry, it's from wind pollination. There's a lot of things you can teach, how to grow banana and how it grows and how to take care of it. So the mulberry tree teaches one thing, and that how important it is to prune and maintain your tree. The banana plant teaches another thing and how to feed it and take care of it. The mango tree teaches another topic. So all around our yard and our lot, there's a lot of educational material to teach. And if it's just covered in food, like you're growing, like every square foot of space, you're just thinking, I'm gonna grow food and be 100% self-sustainable. You're really missing out on the whole point of having a backyard. So that's the end of our series now. I have a lot more content to come. For instance, I'm gonna end up cutting this whole tree down. It's called coppicing. I'm gonna cut it at the very bottom, about a foot above the base. And what'll happen is I have a lot of new growth, a lot of new shoots that come. And there's a lot of cool things you can do with that. I'm gonna save it for the next series. So there's a lot of new stuff that's gonna come. So thank you for watching Garden Logic TV, where we go smarter every day. Make sure to subscribe and watch our next series.